Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I want to talk to you about my most recent finish, but also before we get started on that, I've got some friend mail to share with you. This arrived yesterday. It was in Amazon packaging, but I've taken it out so you can't see my address. And yeah, I wanted to share this with you. This comes to me from the lovely Sharon at Pencil Surprises and also from Dee of Maisie's Madhouse. I will link both of their channels in this video. So let's see what's in here. So I feel like I've been very spoiled. They knew that I had been a little under the weather, and then I just got a message from Sharon saying, parcel coming for you. So we've got incense sticks here. Let's have a little smell before we... Can I get these open without breaking a nail? Yes, I can. Sandalwood, I think. That sort of smell. We've got this lovely little mat, felt mat with a bamboo design. We've got these cones, which I think are the special backflow cones, which, oh, they smell amazing. Sharon had done a video recently of all of her incense burners and oil burners, and she had a couple of backflow burners, and I had never had one, so I think that's possibly what's in here. Oh wow, oh, it's so lovely. So we've got this moon design in the sort of porcelain, and then the clouds sort of join in with these rippling pools here, and then we've got a little koi fish in there. So I'm assuming that stands on there. There are no instructions, so we will see. I've also got some rounded tweezers, very round nose tweezers, which I guess is to place things and hold things. So let's try out one of these. Let me grab a lighter. Okay, and we'll see how it works. I love the design. It's so pretty, and the colours are really nice. I just don't know how to get it to work and do its thing. I guess maybe it just takes time. I don't know, maybe I've done it wrong. Hopefully it will eventually start doing its downward flow thing. And if it does, I will take some pictures or some footage and you'll get to see that. Oh, it's doing it, it's doing it. Oh, I just needed to be patient. Okay, I'll move you down. So there we go, I just needed to be a bit patient. So you can now see that scented smoke is sort of pouring downwards and pooling in those cloud shell-like designs. I can't believe I've never had one. It's ridiculous to have owned so many different magical-y items. Anyway, let's not get caught up on this for too long, although I could sit and watch this for ages. It's mesmerising. Thank you so much. I always say, you know, happy mail is never expected, but it is always so appreciated. And particularly when this is something that you both clearly put thought into. And thank you, you've made me very happy. I'm just gonna reset the camera and then I'll show you my finish. So bear with me. Okay, so my July project was this painting from Diamond Art Club. It is Black and White by Deborah Lewis. I completed this for the hashtag Giddy Up with JTMJ Crafts 23, and as far as Diamond Art Club canvases go, it was a small one. It is only 45 by 32 centimetres and it is in round, but I was really pleased with it. So let's have a look. here it is in all of its glory. I'm just going to move that up a little bit more. There we go. So here we go. This is black and white. It has got so much sparkle. It is, the camera is struggling with the amount of sparkle. There is only one AB, just the white AB, but not all of the white is AB. And yeah, I was really surprised at the amount of blue in this picture. I think because it's called black and white, and just based on looking at the original artwork, it hadn't occurred to me quite how much blue there would be. And it is absolutely stunning. It makes all the difference to this being a flat picture and this actually being a picture that's got a lot of dimension to it, even though it's so, you know, relatively small and such a simple design. But the shades of grey and the sort of 4 or 5 different shades of blue that are in this, they make the world of difference. And yeah, I was really, really happy with it. Just talk briefly. I mean, you know, it's Diamond Art Club canvas and it's in rounds. I had no problems at all. There was only 16 colours, so I had whites left, most of a pot of black left, and then we've got lots of greys. We've got plenty of baby blue, another grey, darker blue. You can see how many ABs I've got left, so those will definitely find a home in another painting. Plenty of this little green, another blue, another grey, a grey, and a sort of tealy colour. So for a painting called Black and White, surprising amount of blue shades and of course greys. But I'm so happy with it. As if you've been around here for a while, you will know that the goddess Epona is quite important to me. She's one of my patron goddesses. She is strongly linked to horses, and this will definitely be going up somewhere special in her honour. So yeah, I'm really, really pleased with it. Should you wish to get your own copy of this, it is currently out of stock, but you can put your name down on the Diamond Art Club website and they will email you as soon as it's back in stock. The list price is currently $19.99, and if you have never purchased from Diamond Art Club before and you feel like doing so, I have got a code that will give you $10 off your first purchase, so feel free to make use of that. I do have a link to Diamond Art Club down in the description of every one of my videos. That is an affiliate link, so if you purchase something using that link, it won't cost you any more money, but I may get a little bit. My plan initially had been to boss through this at the start of the month and then work on something else, but actually I worked on it sort of intermittently with some other projects, and I really enjoyed taking my time on it. The horse itself was incredibly quick to do because it's got the fewest colours, but yeah, I sort of just worked from right to left. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you for watching. Let me know down in the comments if you have completed this picture. I'd love to know, especially if you made any changes to it. I was tempted, but I didn't. I thought keep it simple this time. But yeah, do let me know if you've done this painting, if you like this painting, if you're going to buy this painting. And also let me know if you have ever used a backflow incense burner. Let me know if you have one, if you like it, and what is your favourite scent of incense. I'm a I can't speak. I'm a patchouli girl. Yeah, harkening back to my gothy days, and sort of earthy scents. Yeah, they make me feel very magical. So yeah, that's all from me for today. Please do remember to leave a like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and if you feel like you're able to, please do consider supporting this channel on Patreon. But if you can't, that's completely understandable. These are tough times. So until next time, stay crafty. Oh my goodness, my loves. Whilst I was just finishing up recording this video, there was a knock at the door. It was Amazon and I got another parcel. So this comes from Denise of Maisie's Madhouse. And she says, enjoy your gift. Sorry to hear you are under the weather. Love, Dee, aka Maisie from Maisie's Madhouse. So thank you so much. I'm going to have the most fun with this. I will do this in a video. So I had been eyeing up this kind of very nostalgic childhood kind of kit of making potions. I thought it was both crafty and witchy. So thank you for treating me to this. So yeah, it is designed for kids, but I'm very much looking forward to having a play with it. I'll open it now so we can have a little look at what's inside. You guys, it's all too much. Thank you. Oh. I've got these little bottles which are glass. These ones are plastic, but you wouldn't know necessarily to look at them. I think the quality's pretty good. Anyway, this is not a review of this kit yet. I will do this properly, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So yeah, we're gonna make some little potions and yeah, how fun is this gonna be? Thank you so much to Maisie's Madhouse, and again, thank you to Pencil Surprises for sending me gifts. They have cheered me up no end. All your guys' support means the absolute world. So thank you. Yeah, I'm going to end this here. So yeah, thank you very much. Stay crafty.